Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very special guest. My little sister's back on the channel, and you know whenever she's here we always do something fun. So today she's gonna draw for us and paint using these Madam Glam gel polishes.
Hey everyone, it's me. I miss making videos with my sister, so I'm glad to be back on the channel doing something fun together. I love drawing, coloring, and also math, but today I'm going to be drawing for you guys. I'm so excited. I hope you love it.
So friends, Madam Glam is having an exclusive event on the 20th and the 21st of January. So if you're interested in Madam Glam gel polishes, click the link in my description box. Go have a look at the website, shop around, and don't forget to use my 50% discount code. It's only for the event, guys, so take advantage of it. Get all your beautiful gel polishes and gel colors for 50% off. Now Madam Glam sent me these gel polishes, which I unboxed and reviewed in a previous video. I'll have that linked in the cards. But today we're doing something very different with them. We're gonna be creative, have fun, and I hope you enjoy what we came up with.
So everyone, I'm done sketching. I'm now picking out the two colors I'm gonna paint the picture with.
So the first color is this beautiful nude color from Madam Glam called 𝐁𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐞𝐬. I already swatched it in my previous video, so you can go watch that video to see how it looks like on your nails.
I'm gonna start painting, guys. I'm gonna be using this pink paintbrush to paint the entire picture with. Starting with the hair, I'm gonna use this new gel polish to paint her entire hair with.
So my sister had a little bit of an accident where she dropped a bit of gel polish on the eyebrow, but it's no big deal, so we just wiped it off and decided to carry on because we love the drawing and she didn't want to start all over again.
I noticed my sister had some pretty gemstones that came in different shapes and colors, and I thought they looked nice in her hair, so I decided to try it.
So the next color we're going to go in with is Under the Stars by Madam Glam, and it's a beautiful royal blue glitter polish. I also swatched it in my previous video if you want to check that out.
I switched to this art brush so I could paint her eyes and her shirt blue.
The third color that we're going to be using is Glass. It's a sheer transparent gel polish, and my sister's just going to be using it on her eyes and her necklace. So the last gel polish we're going to go in with is Perfect Black, but we're not going to use it as it is. We're going to mix in some of the 𝐁𝐿𝐬𝐫𝐞𝐬, which is the nude color. We just want to soften it up so we can have a color to go in on her brows. So because they're gel polishes, we're going to use the UV lamp to cure it. I'm just going to get my little sister to hold it over the page for the entire 90 seconds. So after 90 seconds, only the bottom half, which was the shirt, the blue part, dried completely. So we went in again, but this time we focused on the top of the page.
For the finishing touches, I used this pen to outline the whole pictures to make it look nicer. I added a small heart to make it look cute. To finish the picture off, I added my signature on the bottom. So everyone, I finished with the painting. Let me know what you think.
Guys, I love this painting so much. I'm so happy to have my sister on the channel to do this painting for me. I think she did an amazing job. And thank you so much to Madam Glam for sending me these gel polishes. Everyone, don't forget to use the 50% discount code. And I still have the 30% off from my previous video. Everyone, have fun shopping at Madam Glam. Thank you so much to my little sister for being in the video with me. And thanks everyone for watching. Bye.
Bye.